Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mida Agustina from class B3 2016. Now I will explain about my research of the research paper entitled Teaching Writing Descriptive Text through Scientific Approach Using Google Classroom. My high appreciation, great thankful for Mr. Dr. Haji Odo Fadloiri MA as the first supervisor and Ms. Rasi Yuga Fiati MPD as the second supervisor for their valuable time, knowledge, and guidance with all their passion. Okay, this slide, there are 5 points in my research paper. There are background of the research, objective of the research, methodology, results of the research, and conclusion. This slide will discuss about background of the research. COVID-19 outbreak hit many countries in the world. Teaching and learning activities through online learning. Students learn from home with guidance from teacher and parents. According to Septian 2020, currently the world is just facing the COVID-19 pandemic, but educational institutions must continue even though they use online learning methods. That is learning by utilizing the internet network, which does not have to meet face-to-face without being by space and time. 4 skills must be mastered in English. There are listening, reading, speaking, and descriptive. Descriptive text is one of the genre that must be taught in junior high school. According to Yudantoro 2010, descriptive text is a text that has purpose to describe a particular person, place, or things. According to Hakim 2018, Google Classroom is an internet-based service provided by Google as an e-learning system or online learning. The researcher used Google Classroom as an online media for learning. Based on the explanation and exciting problem, the researcher would like to research about the use Google Classroom in learning descriptive text, entitled Teaching Writing Descriptive Text Through Scientific Approach Using Google Classroom. Okay, this slide is objective of the research. I have 4 the objective. They are: the first one, to know the scenario and the implementation of teaching writing descriptive text through Google Classroom using Google Classroom. The first one is to know the scenario and the implementation of teaching writing descriptive text through scientific approach using Google Classroom. Second, to know the responses of the teacher and student in the teaching writing descriptive text through Google Classroom using Google Classroom. Repeat again. Second, to know the responses of the teacher and student in teaching writing descriptive text through scientific approach using Google Classroom. The second, to know the difficulties of the student in learning writing descriptive text through scientific approach using Google Classroom. And the last one, to know the difficulties of the teacher learning writing descriptive text through scientific approach using Google Classroom. Okay, this is slide about methodology. In the methodology, I the research method and research design. Research method is a science of investigating how science research is carried out. Petal and Petal 2019. The research use a qualitative method to describe the result of the research. The researcher use descriptive qualitative in research design to describe teaching writing descriptive text through scientific approach using Google Classroom. Okay, next, subject of the research. Subject of the research is the generalized object that used in research. The subject of the research is 7 class students, 1 in junior high school in Bandung. Total students are 30 and 1 teacher. Okay, the next slide is still about methodology. Okay, there are data collection techniques. They are observation, questionnaire, and interview. Okay, for the instrument, I have one observation. Observation is a data collection technique used to collect research data through observation and sensing. This is Mustachim 2014. Okay, they are the activity divided into 3 stages. 1 pre-activity, 2 whilst activity, and post-activity. Okay, for the questionnaire, the researcher distribute the questionnaire after the process of teaching writing descriptive text. Okay, and then interview. This stage is interviewing the student and teacher as a subject of the research. And the last one is writing test. Test is a set of questions that is used to measure the skill, knowledge, intelligence, and talent of an individual of a group. To know student achievement in understanding the material provided, researcher use a written test. Okay, next slide is result of the research. The scenario implementation of teaching writing descriptive text through scientific approach using Google Classroom. There are conveyed material about this descriptive text. Researcher conducts 3 meetings using Google Classroom. Okay, the pictures are greeting in the classroom, assignment, video from YouTube for the learning process, and the result of the student assignment. This slide is result of the research. The researcher of the result of the research. Okay, the teacher's responses. Teacher state that the application of method was appropriate because the students were guided by the teacher, and in learning the material always provided more information for students to observe. And then Classroom is a great online platform to use during online learning. Google Classroom will use and support learning for teacher and student in online learning. Okay, the student responses is they are teaching writing descriptive text through scientific approach using Google Classroom, receive a positive response from the student. The questionnaire was a close-ended question that consists of the question adapted from Amalia et al. 2020. There are number of participants, 30 students and 10 questions. Got mean score 90. 69, which means it was in the positive category. Okay, next, result of the research. Student difficulties. The student difficulties, some students answer hard because of the signal problem. Student had difficulty in the grammar in using have or has to describe someone. Okay, and the teacher's obstacle, the signal problem. Some students who don't open Google Classroom during learning. Okay, the next is conclusion. I have 4 points to the conclusion. They are one is every meeting the student were engaged in the activity. The student could construct the writing descriptive text. Some students who have difficulty, student asked the teacher, and in the end, student can solve it. Okay. Second, students feel happy to learn by using Google Classroom and positive student responses. This is obtained from the calculation of the data show the result of 69, which means the category is positive. Okay. The third, the difficulties experienced by students are unstable internet network. Students had difficulty in the grammar in using have or has to describe someone. And okay, the teacher's obstacles during teaching writing descriptive text through scientific approach using Google Classroom. Must use the internet network, and the network must be good. There are some students don't open Google Classroom during learning, so they don't participate in learning. Some students have problem with activity and are not motivated, lazy, don't try to find. Okay, thank you. I realize that this research paper is still far from being perfect. Therefore, any criticism, ideas, and suggestions for the improvement are greatly appreciated. I'm sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.